in a box like this. As most parts of the LMK are handcrafted, therefore it usually takes 8 to 12 weeks for the shipment to arrive at the given address. In a standard LMK box, following are the things you will find. The LMK is a camera-based imaging luminance photometer for analysis of indoor and outdoor lighting. It is ideal for the measurement related to glare evaluation according to the UGR method, the analysis of visibility conditions of the road traffic at night, emission evaluations of glare sources, or directly on light sources. There are one or more than one lens in an LMK box. The number of lenses depends on how many a customer has ordered. TechnoTeam offers various focusable standard lenses with a fixed aperture for different focal lengths. Neutral density filters enhance the measurement range of the CCD camera for the measurement of very high luminance. Other accessories in the LMK box include a power cable, a universal plug, and a network cable to connect the camera with the computer. In the section inside the lid of the box, you will find some documents and informative material. TechnoTeam provides a certification for the factory calibration. The LMK Labsoft software by TechnoTeam detailed user manual. The user manual can be provided in either English or German language and contains elaborated information about the device and its functionality. The last step in unboxing the LMK is its mounting on a tripod stand. Put the lens on the camera and place it at the base of the tripod stand. There are two holes at the back of the LMK, one for power supply and the other for the network cable. It is important to remember that the network cable should always be connected before the power supply. Install the Labsoft software on your computer. For installation, insert the software CD in your computer's CD-ROM and follow the instructions. All information about the software installation can be found in the Documents folder. Open Network Connection and go to LAN connection to the camera. Check all the boxes and open Properties for Internet Protocol version 4. The IP address of the camera is placed on its hardware, from where you can enter it manually. If a network communication is protected by a firewall, then you need to configure it accordingly. In case of Windows' own firewall, the installation files are included in the documentation and the script must be executed with admin rights. To verify the connection to the camera via network card, go to Command Prompt and type ping and the IP address of your camera. Once all this is done, the LMK Labsoft software will be ready to install. When installing the LMK Labsoft software for the first time, go to Camera, New Calibration Data in the menu. In the appearing dialog, Please select the camera data from the calibration folder of the CD and copy the files to your PC. After loading the required calibration of the camera, start the live mode and check for image acquisition. This was the complete process of unboxing the LMK. We hope that you would find this information useful.